What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're at the Hux World, and today, people, we're gonna say goodbye to the Galaxy Note 8. It's really gonna be hard. It's really gonna be hard because I really enjoyed having the Galaxy Note 8, and there's just not a huge difference between the two, but I had to upgrade because it's what I do. I upgrade every year, and also battery and storage is important to me as well. So I can't keep both smartphones, but we're gonna talk about this. Now, this took cues from the Galaxy Note 7. It is a true successor to the Galaxy Note 7 in every sense of the word. We talk about the build quality, the feel in the hand. Perfect. When you hold this thing in the palm of your hand, it doesn't cut into it. It feels nice. It feels smooth. It feels premium. Yes, it has a glass back, and yes, the display on the front is beautiful. If you have not seen this, the Galaxy Note 8 has the best display in the business. Samsung always bring an awesome display. This is a Super AMOLED display. But here's the thing. Compared to the Galaxy Note 9, it's not different at all. Pixels are a little different, but the display is absolutely the same. It's a gorgeous display. I enjoy looking at this from day to day. I'm telling you the truth. I've had many Apple people see my phone, just me going through it on a daily basis, and they wanted to know why was it so sharp that their smartphone wasn't as sharp as the Galaxy Note 8. They were amazed, not only with the Galaxy Note 8, it happened with the Galaxy Note 7, it happened with the Galaxy Note 5. Samsung gets down on their Super AMOLED display, the best in the business. Icons even look saturated on the Galaxy Note 8. Your video quality, your picture quality, your viewing experience on YouTube are all gonna look awesome. The saturation, the sharpness, the detail is beautiful. Now, it said that Google Pixel had the best camera in the business, but I'm telling you, the Galaxy Note 9 is definitely, well, the Galaxy Note 8 is definitely no slouch. It holds its own in the camera department. So if you're looking to take great pictures, this one here has been a beast. Now, what I really enjoyed, one of the things I enjoyed about having the Galaxy Note 8, well, it came out with portrait mode that year. Now, Apple came out with it the year before, and Samsung came out with it and they tweaked it. So they came out with it where you can customize the depth of field before and after the video. Now, Apple just came out with that this year. Samsung had already tweaked it, so Apple took a cue from Samsung, which is no problem. We're not mad at them or anything like that. But when they did that, I have never used portrait mode before, have never seen it on the Apple phone. And when I took pictures with this, it brings the subject and or the person you're taking a picture of straightforward, sharp in detail, and you can blur it out how much you want, the background, and that's the only way that I really love to take photos now. Now also, I like the look on the back. I like the camera placement. It looks nice, it looks stylish. Compared to the Galaxy Note 9, I don't like it that much. Yeah, they took the fingerprint scanner down, which makes it more convenient, but I'm all about look and feel. All about look and feel. Now, let's talk about one other thing that I really love over everything. Now, first of all, this only came with a 64 gigabyte storage, but they also gave me a 128 gigabyte card with this one. When I got the Galaxy Note 7, I had got a 256 gigabyte card. I didn't get nothing with the Galaxy Note 9 except for headphones, but when I got it, that took care of the issue with storage and the battery. Let me tell you, first off, if you're looking for a smartphone to carry you through the day, the Galaxy Note 8 is going to do that and then some. If you're a casual user, then you're going to be able to get home with anywhere between 70 to 60 to 65% battery life with no problem. If you're a heavy user, quite like myself, and I'm a heavy user, that means that I got everything running in the background, people. I mean, everything. I shut nothing down, and I'm still making it home with like 23% battery life. Now, it's all based off of your usage, but the battery life on the Galaxy Note 8 is a beast. Now, I know you want to hear it. Compared to the Galaxy Note 9, how great is it? Well, first of all, the Galaxy Note 9 has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. This one has a 3,300 milliamp hour battery. And the difference between the percentage is not huge at all, right? You're not that far away from what you're going to get on the Galaxy Note 8. It is going to give you a little bit more time to what you're going to on the Galaxy Note 9. You're going to get more battery life on the Galaxy Note 9 because it does have a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, but for the Galaxy Note 8, you're not going to be that far away from. I'm telling you, you're going to enjoy it. But this one here, it creeps. Now, once you get this out of the box, it's going to be beautiful, but just holding this from day to day, going through the processing power, and still now today, it's still it's still doing this thing, people. It's still doing this thing. And I have not mastered reset this. I'm telling you, I'm still in love with the Galaxy Note 8. I'm still in love with it. I hate to let it go, but I got the Galaxy Note 9, so I got to give it up. Financially, it's going to cost me anywhere between $550, $600 to keep this smartphone, and financially, I can't do it right now, but I would love to keep it. I got 2 to give back. I got 1, the missus, and I got 1 for me. So I got to give them back. We're going to hang on to the Galaxy Note 9 simply because we love upgrading. We got to have the latest and greatest. And although it doesn't come with that much, because there's not a big difference between the Galaxy Note 8 and the Galaxy Note 9. This has 3 major things that the Galaxy Note 8 doesn't have. Camera. Now, the camera is nice on this one. It's beautiful. You're going to get beautiful videos, beautiful photos. On this one, you're going to get the same thing, but you're going to get hyperlapse on this one too. So the camera is a little bit better so far as the picture quality is concerned. I did take pictures side by side, and the Galaxy Note 9 camera is a little bit better than that of the Galaxy Note 8. So if you're into camera, then you might want to seek the Galaxy Note 9. Now, this also comes with hyperlapse as well. So if you're into hyperlapse, then this is going to be your boy. Also, we get an S Pen on both of them. S Pen has been beefed up here, so if you're into presentations, controlling your music, websites, things of that nature, Galaxy Note 9. But the Galaxy Note 8, if you don't need none of those things, people, you're good with this. All day, this thing is a beauty. It's going to hold its own with no problem. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed if you get the Galaxy Note 8. Now, for me, I've been carrying both smartphones because it's really hard to let it go. I've had this for over 2 weeks right now, and I still got the Galaxy Note 8 in my hand. It's really, really hard to let go. Pray for me, right? But all in all, if you're looking for a great deal on the Galaxy Note 8, you'll find one right now, but you're probably going to find an even better deal if you wait until Black Friday. You should get a drastic cut or a great deal on the Galaxy Note 8, considering that Black Friday is right around the corner. And also on the Galaxy Note 9, you should get a little bit off of it. They'll probably have some type of deal for the Galaxy Note 9. But all in all, the Galaxy Note 8 definitely held its own. I'm proud of it. I'm excited. I hate that I have to give it up. But financially, we can't keep it, right? But I'm going to miss it. It did everything that the Galaxy Note 9 is going to be able to do. I don't know what to do, people. I don't know what to do. All right, you all, that's going to be it. That's my experience with the Galaxy Note 8. If I had to sum it up into a couple of words, I'm going to say the Galaxy Note 8 is a beast, and I'll recommend it. All right, I'll approve this video. With that being said, that's going to be it for the video, people. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you to make the decision that you need to get, whether you're going to get the Galaxy Note 8 or whether you're going to get the Galaxy Note 9. And with that, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.